Good afternoon, dear students. Have you done your homework? And we are going to face our examination. Are you studying? Okay. Have you completed your maths notes? If anyone complete your maths note, do immediately complete our maths notes. Okay. And today we are going to discuss about which thing. We are going to discuss about our cubes and cube roots. Is it? Yes. And in previous class we discussing the cube roots. Is it? Yes. That is, cube roots means we take the square roots. We already studied in previous chapter the square roots. Is it? Yes. Here we also studying these cubes and cube roots, and first one is some interesting facts. Some interesting patterns, that is adding consecutive odd numbers. Adding consecutive odd numbers, that means what is, that is 1 equal to 1 equal to 1 2. Is it right? Yes. And next is 3 plus 5. We get 8. That is 2 cube. That is 2 cube. And next one is, what is the next pattern? That is, we can say that 7 plus 9 plus 11. 7 plus 9 plus 11. That is, we get 27. That is 3 cube. That is 3 cube. Is it? Yes. And next is 30 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. What is the answer? When we add these, that is 28, 45, and we get 64. That is equal to 4 cube. That is equal to 4 cube. And what is the next pattern? Next pattern is 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus is it 29. What is the answer? Answer is, we get answer is 125. That is equal to 5 cube. That is equal to 5 cube. That is equal to 5 cube. Answer is 5 cube. That is the pattern. Interesting pattern is it, when we see that is 1 equal to 1 cube, and 3 plus 5 equal to 8. That means 2 cube, and 7 plus, we adding the consecutive odd numbers. That is 3, 5 are odd numbers consecutive, and next step 7, 9, 11 is also consecutive odd numbers, please. And 13, 15, 17, 19 is equal to 64. That is also odd numbers. That is, we get 64. That is 4 cube. And next is, there is a try this for we have. What is the try this? Our try this is, what is try this? Our first question is, express the following numbers as the sum of odd numbers using above pattern. That is 6 cube. That is 6 cube. That is, we get 6 cube as 31 plus 33 plus 35 plus 37 plus 39 plus is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at last 41. 41. Is it? Yes. That is, what is it? We can express as 6 cube equal to 31, 33. Is it? Yes. And next is 8 cube. That is 8 into 7, 56, that is 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and at last 71. At last 71. Is it? Yes. And next is 7 cube. That is for your Roman. You can write it as 43, starting from 43. Is it? Yes. And next question is, what is the next question? Using the consider the following pattern, that is 2 cube minus 1 cube. What is the answer? We get 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. And next pattern is 3 cube minus 2 cube. That is 3 plus 2 is it? Here is now 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 3 into 2 into 3. And next is 4 cube plus 3 cube. That is 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3. And using above pattern, find the value of the following. That is, we want to find the value of the following. That is, what is the answer? First one is 7 cube minus 6 cube. That is, here is 1 plus 4, 3 into 3. Here is 1 plus 3, 2 into 3. Is it? Yes. And what is the next pattern? Here is, we get 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is it? And 6 into 3. That is 3 are common, that is 2. And next is, what is our next question? 12 2 minus 11 2. That is, we get 1 plus 12 into 11 into 3. 11 into 3. Is it? Yes. That is, here what we get? Here what we get? We get the answer is 7 into 6, 42. 42 into 3, we get 126. That is, we get 127. And here is, we get 12 into 11, we get 121. Is it? Is it? Is it not? That is 132. 132 into 3. 132 into 3. What we get? We get 396. That is 397. 397. Is it? Yes. 397. Is it? Yes. That is 397. And next is 22 minus 19 and 51 minus 52. These are for your homework. And next is cubes and their prime factorization. Cubes and their prime factorization. That is, we already studied the prime factorization of numbers. Here in cubes, we take one pair of 3 numbers. That is, for example, that is, we take 64. For example, 64. That is, first 2, we get 3, 2, and next 2, that is 16, and 2, that is 8, that is 2, that is 4, is it? Yes. And what is next? 2 and 2. That is, we take one pair of 3 times, that is 2, and next 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is, we consider 3 times as 1, and here is as 1. That is 4. That is 4 cube is 64. 4 cube is 64. 4 cube is 64. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, next for example is 243 is a perfect cube. 243 is a perfect cube. 243 is a perfect cube. Is it? That is, we take 3 and that is we get 8, 1 and 3, we get 2, 7 and 3, we get 9 and 3, we get 3. Is it? Yes. When we write in the page 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is, here is we can write 3. That is, next is only 2. In pair there is only 2. That is, when we take in the pairs, when we group in 3, that is, there is 3 into 3, there is only 2 times. That is, therefore 243 is not a perfect cube. 243 is not a perfect cube. And next is for our try this, that is, which of the following are perfect cubes? Which of the following are perfect cubes? Which of the following are perfect cube? First one is 400. 2, 200, 200, 2, 500, 2, 25 and 2. Here is 5, this is 5. That is, so here is 400 is not a perfect square. That is, there is no pair for 2 and 5. When we write in 4 class, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. That is, here is we can write 2. Here is no pair for 2 and also for 5. So 400 not a perfect cube. Okay, is it clear? And next is what is our next question is 3375. 3375. 3375. 3375. This 5, that is 6, 5, 5, and so 5 and 1, 3, 1, and here is next which number we can take? Which number we can take? Here is we can take as, is it 3? No. This is 3 is not a prime factor. And next is what is, here is 60, here is 3, 33, that is 35, that is here is not, that is here is not 5, is not 7, that is this is wrong, that is we get 7, 5, and this is we get 1, and next is 73, 5, and also 5, that is we get 2, 7, and 3 we get as 9, 3, 3. That is we can write it as 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is we can write 5 into 3. That is 15. That means 15 cube. That is 15 cube equal to 3,375. 3,375. So, which is a perfect square. That is, here we write it as a, so we can write it as 15 to 3,375. We get like this. And next one is, third one is 8,000. 8,000. That is 2, 4,000, and next 2,000 is 2,000 is S, and 500, and we can write it as 250, and 2, that is 1, 2, 5, that is 5, that is 2, 25, that is 25 as 5, that is 5, that is, we can write it as 8,000 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is, we grouping in 3, that is 2 cube into 2 cube into, and 2 cube into 2 cube into 5 cube, that is 20 cube. That is 20 cube. Also we know that a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. Already we know that next is what the powers are same, that is a raised to n, b raised to n. Then what we can write it as ab raised to n. So we can write it as 22. That is 8,000 is a perfect cube. 8,000 is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. And next question is fourth one, and fourth is for your normal. Fifth one is 9,000. That is, we take 5. That is 9 is 1, 8 and 0 0. Next we also take 5, that is 3, 6 is S, and next is, that is here 3, we get 30, there is 6, and next is 5, 7 and 2, and 2 equal to what we get? We get 3, 6, 2, 1, 8, 2, 9, that is 3, 3. That is, when we write here, we can write 9,000 equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We can write it as 5 cube into 2 cube into 3 square. So this is not a perfect cube. So this is not a perfect cube. And next question is what is our next question? That is 9,000 is not a perfect square, and 6, 7 are for your common, 6 and 7 8 are same as you can find the answers. So that is for your homework. And next one is we are discussing smallest multiple, that is a perfect cube. Smallest multiple, that is a perfect cube. Smallest multiple, that is a perfect cube. That is, we can, for example, Raju made a cuboid of plastic. Length, breadth and height of cuboid are 15 centimeter, 13 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Then Anu asked how many such cuboids will she need to make a perfect cube. Can you tell, that is, what is the Raju's cuboid volume? Volume is length into breadth into height. So we can write it as 15 into 30 into what is also 50. What we get, that is, here we splitting the terms. That is, 15 means 5 into 3. Is it? Yes. And next is we split 2 into 3 into 5. And next is 15. Also we can write it as 5 into 3. Is it? Yes. That is, here we can write it as 2 into, here is 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Is it right? Is it right? Yes. That is, since there is only 2 in prime factorization, so we need 2 into 2, that is 4 to make a perfect cube. Therefore, we need 4 such cuboids, to make cube. Is it? That is, here when we splitting or when we take the prime factorization, 2, 15 is 5 into 3 and 30 is 2 into 3 into 5 and 15 is 5 into 3, that is 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is, here is no prime factorization for 2, that is, here we want 2 into 2, that is 4, that is 4 cuboids, such cuboids we want to make a cubic, perfect cube. Okay, and next is example 2 is 392 a perfect cube. If not, find the smallest natural number by which 392 must multiply so that the product is a perfect cube. So that the product is a perfect cube. That is 392. That is 1962. That is 982. That is 497. That is, here when we take the prime factorization, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Here is 2 cube is, and there is 7 square. We want also a 7. So we multiply 7. That is, that is 2744 is a perfect square. And for another example, that is for another example, example 3, What is example 3? Is 53,240 is a perfect cube? If not, then by which smallest natural number should 53,240 be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube? The quotient is a perfect cube, that is 53,420. That is, we take 2, 6, 7, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 5, 5, and 5. That is 2, 6, 7, 1, and here is which number is we take. Which number can we take? We can take. That is, here is it possible 3? Is it possible 3? No. 7? No. And next is what we can take here? What we can here take? 11. That is 2 and 47. We get 4, 31. Is it? No. Here is possible. No, that is, there is something mistake. That is, we take 2 and 2. Here is, when we take 2 as 1, is it? Yes, 3, 5 and 5. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, the question is not 50,053. That is, the question is the digit is interchanging. That is 53,420. That is 53,240. We take the by factorization 2. That is, here we can take it as 2, and here is 13. 13 we get 6, and 1 called 6 and 2 and 0. Is it? Yes. And next is 2, 1, 3, 1, 0. And next one is also 2, 6, 5, 5. Is it? Yes. That is, here we take 5. That is, we get 1, 3, 1. Here we take 11 and 1, 2, 1. That is 11. That is 1. That is 1. That is, here we can see that 2, 2 have 3 pair. So 3 times 1 pair. 11 have 1 pair. 5 has no pair, so we divide the number, then the given number 53 and 53,240 divided by 5, that is, we get 1, and here is what is 0 and 6. Is it? As 6 and 4 is as 8. That is 10,648 is a perfect square. 10,648 is a perfect square. And next example is, you just read your textbook, the page numbers, what 111 to 114. You get the more information, more explanation. We are discussing the examples in our textbook. That is, next example is 1188 is 1188 a perfect cube? If not, by which smallest natural number should 100 sorry, 1188 be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. That is 1188 we can write 2, that is 594. This is 2 9 7. And which number is 3? That is, here we get 9 and also 3, that is 3 3. Is it? Yes. And when we take 3, that is 11. That is 11. That is, here is the prime factorization. When we see the prime factorization, 2 and 11 have no common factor. So 2 into 11 we get 44. We divide 1180 by 44. That is when we simplify, we get by 2, we get 22. Here we get 594. And here is we get 11. Here is we get 297. Is it? Yes. And when we divide by 11, we get 1. Here is we get 2. Is it? 7. That is 27 is a perfect cube. 27 is a perfect cube. That means what is 3 cube? That is 3 cube. Is it? Yes. And next is, what is our next example? 68,600 is a perfect cube. If not, find the smallest number by which 68,600 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube. To get a perfect cube. Is it? Yes. That is, what is we get? We get as 68,600. Is it? Yes. We divide it by 2, we get 3 and 4 3 0 0 and 2 1 7 1 5 0 2. That is, here we get 8 5 7 5 and next we take 5. So 1 7 1 2 and next we take 2, that is 8 5 6 and also we take 2 8 5 6, that is 2 4 2 8. Next we take also 2, that is 2 1 4 and 2, we repeating 2 1 and 0 7. And here is what we get. Which number we can here take? Here we can take, is it 3? No. 5? No. 9? 9 is not a prime number. And next one is 11. Can we take 11? That is 11 into 9 is 99 and 10 is not 11. And next which number we take? 30. 30 into 7 we get. We can simplify through division. That is 13. That is, can we get 13 into 9 or 13 into 10? 130. And 13 into 7, what is the answer? 91. And 13 into 8, what is the answer? 88. 96, 104. So there is also 3 remainder. Which number can take here? 107. Which number? Here is also which number? That is, here is 668,600. Then first we take which number? can we take 7? That is we can take is 7. That is when we take 7 first, that is 7, and we take 37. So there is a mistake. That is when we recheck, that is here 68 and we get 6. Is it? Yes. And next we take 3 times 5. Is it? That is here is which way we take this one. That is here is when we finding this one, that is 5, that is 1 7 1 5, and next we also take 5, that is here we get 3 4 and 3. Is it? Yes. That is there is we get 1 17 3 times, that is 21 in 4 times, and that is we get 15, that is also 5. Is it? In your textbook there is given that what is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, that is here is 343. So we recheck which one, that is 343. We take it as which one, 7, that is here is 4 63 49, that is also next 7 and 7, that is here is 1 5. One time of 5 is needed, so we multiply 5 into 68,600. 68,600. Is it? Yes. That is we get answer as 68,600 into 5. We get what is the answer? We get the answer as 0 0 6 into 5 33 is carry out 5 8 40 43 and 5 6 into 5, that is we what we get 68 into 68,600 into 5, we get 34,000 that is 3 lakh. Here is 1 2 1 times 100 1000 10,000 and lakh 3 lakh 43,000. 3 lakh and 43,000 is the answer. And next we are going to discuss about our exercise 7.1. Are you ready to start our exercise? Okay, are you ready? That is first question is, what is our first question? That is first question is, next we are going to discuss our exercise 7.1, page number 140. That is first one is which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? First one is 260. 260. That is we take the prime factorization. What is the prime factorization? First one we take the prime factorization. Sorry, there is a thing, discuss and write in your page number 130. That is for your homework. And our exercise 7.1, page number 140. That is first question is we want to find or which of the following numbers are perfect. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes. We want to check this is a perfect cube. That is 260. We take the prime factorization 1 0 8 2, that is 5 4 2, and we get 2 7 3, and also take 3. That is we can write it as 2 cube and 3 cube. That is we get 6 cube. We get 6 cube. That is here a raised to n into b raised to n. We can write it as ab raised to whole raised to n. That is here is 216 is a perfect cube. That is, it is a perfect cube. And next one is 128. 128. That is, next is 128. What is 128? We check the prime factorization. That is 2, 6, 4 and 2. That is, we get here, we get 3, 2. And next we take 2. That is, we get 16. That is, next 8, 2, 4. Also we get 2. When we counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. That is, we can write it as 2 cube into 2 cube into 2. So here is no pair for 2. So this is not a perfect square. 128 or 128 not a perfect cube. So this is not a perfect cube. And third, fourth, fifth questions are for your homework. Following like this, you get the solution. I wish you a good day. See you in next class. Bye.